Welcome to the first of a 7-part series on anticoagulants. In this video, we present a general overview. Let's begin with the following take-home points. Anticoagulants include vitamin K antagonists and 2A and 10A inhibitors. Vitamin K antagonists inhibit factors 2, 7, 9, and 10, and proteins C and S. 2A and 10A inhibitors block factors 2A and 10A respectively. Let's start with a simplified version of the coagulation cascade, beginning with the extrinsic pathway, in which tissue factor complexes with factor 7 and activates it to 7A. The tissue factor 7A complex acts on factor 10 to activate it to 10A. Factor 10A's cofactor 5A helps to activate prothrombin to thrombin. Thrombin completes the cascade by converting fibrinogen to fibrin. Let's add in the intrinsic pathway, starting at the point at which factor 9A works with its cofactor 8A to also activate factor 10. First, we will discuss the mode of action of the vitamin K antagonists. Vitamin K antagonists work against the vitamin K dependent factors 2, 7, 9, and 10. Vitamin K antagonists also act against the natural anticoagulants protein C and protein S. By blocking multiple levels of coagulation, vitamin K antagonists stop thrombin generation and fibrin formation. Examples of vitamin K antagonists include warfarin, acetylcoumarol, and the key ingredient in rat poison, brodifacoum. Next, let's examine the mechanism of action of the direct thrombin inhibitors. The direct thrombin inhibitors act against factor 2A, thus blocking thrombin generation and fibrin formation. The direct thrombin inhibitors include the parenteral agents unfractionated heparin, argatroban, bivalirudin, and the oral agent dabigatran. Next, we'll turn our attention to the factor 10A inhibitors. As implied by their name, these agents work against factor 10A, and by blocking 10A, stop both thrombin generation and fibrin formation. Examples of 10A inhibitors include the heparins, unfractionated and low molecular weight heparin, fondaparinux, rivaroxaban, apixaban, and edoxaban. In summary, we have learned that the classes of anticoagulants include vitamin K antagonists and 2A and 10A inhibitors. Vitamin K antagonists inhibit factors 2, 7, 9, and 10, and protein C and S. And factors 2A and 10A inhibitors block factors 2A and 10A respectively. This ends our video on anticoagulants, a general overview.